Vice President Sara Z. Duterte leads the celebration of the country's 126th Independence Day at the Rizal Park in Davao City this morning. In her message, VP Sara honors the Filipino forefathers and ancestors for their courage and patriotism, which made the country's freedom and democracy possible.
The freedom we experience in the present is a result of the unyielding resolve of our ancestors to reclaim our right to govern ourselves as a sovereign nation, pursue the aspirations of our people, and manage our own economic resources.
Duterte said that Independence Day is not only a celebration of the country's liberation, but also emphasizes the importance of remembering the adversities the Filipinos overcame. For the first time after how many weeks of no public engagements, VP Sara appeared in public following the rumors about her health. Last May 31, his brother Congressman Paulo Pulong Duterte greeted him, "Happy birthday and get well soon." When asked by the media, she said,
"Well, I'm okay. So, yes. Maraming salamat sa birthday greetings. Dili na ko maisa-isa ang pasalamat sa tanan nga nag-greet o birthday greetings o ang ilahang mga wishes sa maayong panglawas. And I am happy to be here in Davao City, and I wish all the Baweños, unang-una, kalma lang ta, ikaduha, Happy Independence Day sa inyong tanan.
The Vice President also denied having knowledge of the rumors regarding the suspension of his brother Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte.
Wala ko'y nahibalaan na information about suspension ni Mayor Baste Duterte. Kung doon na may ingana nga papel or document na suspension niya, wala to na lang nato, no? And let us wait kung unsa ang mga legal actions ni Mayor Baste Duterte.
The Vice President also supports the banning of gadgets in school, but with exemptions.
We are okay for the banning of use of gadgets for personal use, subject to exceptions. Kung ang iyahang personal gadget ginagamit niya sa pag-eskwela or sa lesson sa maestra, dapat doon ay mga exceptions, particularly kung ginagamit sa learning and teaching ang gadget.
Nanine Moreno, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.